Y'all, what's up? Amazon ponytails under $20. I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. I recorded it a while ago, but I'm just now getting around to editing it. So yeah, all these ponytails are from Amazon. Super affordable and so easy to style. So if you want to see how I get into these ponytails, definitely keep on watching. All right, so let's start with supplies. Everything's from Amazon. These extra large rubber bands are really helpful. I love them, and I'll leave a link down below to where you can grab them. I love them for doing ponytails because they're bigger than the normal size rubber bands, the little teeny tiny ones. They don't break as easily, and they don't put as much tension on your hair because they are so large. So I highly recommend those. They come in a big bundle pack, and I'll link it down below. When I do ponytails, my hair tends to get dry, so I always start with grease. I'll link that down below as well. It's just a really affordable grease by Bronner Brothers. I've been using it since I was a little girl, and it just helps to keep my hair hydrated before the ponytail style. The next thing that I just showed was the edge control, and that is the Stasha edge control, and I absolutely love that for making my ponytails, and it keeps them really nice and shiny. The hairspray that I'm using is from Amazon. It's by a company called Shoe. I've been using it for years. I love it because it gives you a softer hold and is not as drying as Got To Be spray. I also use the Twin Olive Gel. I love that gel. You can find that on Amazon too. It'll be linked down below. That gel is so nice. It's not super wet, so it doesn't like wet your hair so bad. Sometimes you use gel and it just curls your hair up so bad. This one doesn't really do that as bad, and I love the smell of it, and I love working with it. It doesn't get super sticky, and it dries pretty fast once you put the hairspray over top. So I highly recommend all these products. You can find them on Amazon. I tend to use a bristle brush as well when I'm doing my ponytails, because as you can see, my hair is thick and it is natural. It's blown out in this video, but it is natural, and so a bristle brush really helps. And then you got the scrape your brain brush. This is the brush that's almost like so hard that it just scrapes your whole entire brain cabinet, but I love it because it gets every single hair in place. I wrap it with my baby hair scarf from GLEEmade. Those are available on Amazon. I'll link those down below as well. And make sure I pull out my baby hairs, because once this gel sets, you will not be able to pull your baby hairs out. Braid my hair, put a small rubber band on it, and then grab my tiny Babyliss flat iron, curl my edges. I use my GLEEmade edge control to style my baby hairs. So that edge control is also available on Amazon or on my personal website as well. So support your good sis. Grab some GLEEmade edge control. Keep my channel going, y'all. I appreciate it. And yeah, just style your baby hairs. It's so much easier when you curl them to style them. They just lay in place and just move the right way. So once those baby hairs are done styled, I go ahead and spray them one more time with some hairspray and cover them up with a GLEEmade baby hair scarf. Now let's go ahead and get into these ponytails. This is the first ponytail. This one is called Boss Lady, and it's in a color number 1B. It is a shorter ponytail. This one's probably about 10 inches or so. It has one comb at the top, one comb at the bottom, and it has your drawstring. So when I put it on, I literally just stick the comb in the front, stick the comb in the back, and then I go ahead and pull the drawstring and wrap it around the ponytail. This is what is given straight out the pack. Of course, I want to grab one of the curls, wrap it around the ponytail, and then I go ahead and separate the curls. I did not fluff them in this video because I want my ponytail to last as long as possible. But if you want that nice, full, fluffy look, you can definitely not only just separate the curls, but you can also tease them, and it will give you this really beautiful afro textured type curly ponytail. But I usually wait until my ponytail gets a little older, and then I do more fluffing. And honestly, these ponytails literally just get better with time. Look at that texture, y'all. It's giving my hair, okay? You cannot tell me this is not my hair, all right? And I just love that about these ponytails. They just mimic our hair so nicely. Here's the next one. I'll leave links down below to all these ponytails, you guys. This is more of a tight curly unit, curly ponytail. It's more like water wave texture, so that's probably what I'll call it down below. This is the water wave ponytail. Now, of course, it comes out these perfectly placed ringlet curls. You definitely have to fluff this one to give it a more natural look. Same type of setup, comb in the front, comb in the back, drawstring. So same exact install. All these ponytails are the same setup and the same drawstring. So these are super easy to install. Now, once you finish fluffing, you're definitely going to want to trim this so that it kind of frames your head and your forehead properly. You don't want curls just sticking out everywhere. But this is the look of this one. Super affordable, easy to pop on, and is available in a bunch of colors. This unit is called Game Changer Extra Long, and I absolutely love this one. This is giving me Coming to America vibes. Y'all know the scene. She's your queen to be. I can't sing, y'all. I always say, if the Lord gave me a good singing voice, honey, you wouldn't be able to tell me nothing, okay? If I could sing, my head would be too big to enter a room, okay? To me, that is like the ultimate talent, being able to sing, and I wish I had that skill. Definitely do not. So we just gonna stick to my talking voice. I think my talking voice is pretty good though. So same setup, you guys. Grab some hair from the back. I always grab hair from the back of the ponytail, and then just wrap it around. Sometimes you don't need a bobby pin, sometimes you do. But yeah, same look, you guys. I'm loving this. Fluff her out a little bit, trim her a little bit from any straggly hairs, and you know, it's giving Coming to America. All right, bark like a dog. Woof woof woof. No, a big dog, a small dog. Arf arf arf. Y'all know the vibes. And last but not least, we got Miss Rainmaker here in color number 2. Absolutely love her, and this color is beautiful. It's a nice dark brown, almost black brown. Love that. Same setup, pop her on, comb in the front, comb in the back, drawstring, wrap it around, and then grab a curl from the back and wrap it around the ponytail, the base of the ponytail. Use a bobby pin to tuck it into place. I'm loving these ponytails, you guys, for so many different reasons. 1, the price point. 2, they're all on Amazon and easy to get. 3, there's a bunch of color options once you choose what you want. 4, Amazon Prime is really saving my life right now, all right? So if you guys want to grab these ponytails, I'll leave them in the links down below. In the meantime, in between time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe. It helps your girl out. Links to support this channel are down below. Make sure you check those out. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a ponytail lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace out.